Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ruba. My user ID 12508022. Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Kumila University. Today, I am discussing about very important topic in C program in loops. Let's start. What is a loop? A loop, a part of programming that repeats a set of instruction until a condition is true. Loops help us text multiple times without writing the same code again. For example, if you want to take 10 steps instead for writing step 1, step 2, we just repeat take a step 10 times using loop. Use of loop. We use loops to automate repetitive tasks. Loop help reduce the length of our code, make programs more efficient, and perform tasks many times without written the same code again. Type of loops in C program. In C programming, there are three main type of loop: for loop, while loop, do while loop. For loop. The for loop repeats a block of code a fixed number of times. We define how many times it will run. While loop. The while loop repeats a block of code while a condition is true. If the condition becomes false, it stops. Do while loop. The do while loop runs a block or code at least once. After that, it repeats then code while the condition is true. Syntax of loop. For loop. In the for loop, we write initialization, condition, increment, decrement all in the same line. This is loop mostly used when we know how many times the code needs to run. Next, while loop. The while loop checks a condition first. It runs repeatedly as long as the condition is true. Then third, do while loop. At first the statement will work and check the condition in while loop. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, then the statement will work again. Example of loop. For loop. In the for loop, the initialization I is equal to 1, the condition part I less than or equal 5 is true, then it will print 1. Then it will go to increment part. I plus plus 2. If the condition is false, then it will stop. While loop. While loop and a variable I is equal to 1, then condition I less than or equal 5. If the condition is true, print 1, and the next part increment or decrement. Do while loop. In a variable I is equal to 1, then do print I, the next part increment decrement, and last part check the condition I less than or equal 5. Summary of loop. Loop are used to repeat tasks efficiently. Main types: for, while, do while. Loop save time, improve readability, and automate tasks. Essential concept for every C program.